What is up, boys? Today I took two trades, one loss and a win. The win made up for the loss. I believe the win was a $620 win, and the loss was a $270. Equaled me out to around 350. As you can see, each count got filled a little differently, but averaged out $350 profit for the day. As you guys can see as well, I have oh, actually, as you guys can't see, trade of it was on the other monitor. On I have three more accounts. Three are in eval, three are PAs. The PAs are up pretty good. They're back to the max drawdown, the 2,500. So that's good. Completely revived at this point, and in the profit, decent amount. And then the PA or the evaluations are also up a good amount, and also max drawdown. So, pretty good day, I would say. The first trade I took was right here, as you can see, and it got invalidated pretty quickly and stopped me out very quick. Let me get over to it. The general idea for today was that we were going to take previous day high. There was a lot of equal highs on NQ, and I think I marked them out. They're red. Hold on. Make them green. These, I think there was another one too. But it's not going to show it because they got taken out. But there was a lot of equal highs that weren't being taken on NQ. So I expected it to take those, and they were really close to the previous day high. So I really expected price to just hit this PDH, and then I don't know what was going to happen from there, but I wasn't going to stick around to find out. Essentially, that was my plan. So I tried to take it here. Let's exit out of here. The first trade that I tried to take was this one. It was at, I entered at 10:08, or no, I entered at 10:07, but the inverse happened at 10:05, and I waited for it to draw into this fair value gap created, and I expected it to go up from here. But this was the big problem, I think, was that there was equal lows down here, these that had not been swept yet. I think there was more on the 2-minute as well that were taken out by these, but those equal lows just had to be taken first before we ended up, going up. That liquidity needed to be swept before we actually ended up taking the previous day high. So this got invalidated, and it was a $270 loss. Went for a 2.8 RR, and I was feeling kind of jaded from the market because there wasn't a lot I was feeling bullish, but there wasn't a lot of bullish for value gaps being made anywhere, and the charts kind of looked like shit on a lot of the time frames. So I was kind of leaning towards just hopping off the charts for the day after this loss, especially when we come down here and we inverse these and then just dumped anyway. But when I saw this setup here, this inverse right here, I drew this line because this is a gold setup right here. I could have taken it, but like I said, I was feeling kind of jaded by the market, how it was how the price action was. I just wasn't really feeling it. So I could have taken this fucking crazy trade since my bias was the previous day high, but I did not take it. And when I started finally seeing these bullish fair value gaps getting created, and it looked good on all time frames, every time frame it looked amazing. When I started seeing this, I decided that if I could find a trade in this bullish rally, I knew it was going to take the previous day high, and I knew it was going to take the equal highs on QQQ, or on, not on QQQ, on NQ, that I would just take the trade on MNQ, and that's what I did. So I found an entry right here in this dip into this fair value gap. I believe it was like right here, somewhere in here. Actually, I can bring it up. It'll show you. This one was real saucy because, as you can see, I sold the motherfucking top. And then it just dumped into the dirt as soon as it took previous day high, which was around like here somewhere. You can see right there. It took it and dumped. So I quite literally sold the top today, which is not even something that I aim to do usually, just because it's, you know, kind of unrealistic. But yeah, we made this fair value gap here after we went down and kind of rejected the sellers, and sellers got stomped out here. We're just way too bullish. This is the most certain price action we got all day, was this bullish push upwards. So I am completely bullish at this point and was just looking for an entry, and I found it right here on this candle, and we drew in and we made a hammer, and I knew we were going to go up. So placed my stop loss. I believe it was around here. And once we made like this candle that I didn't really like and chopped a little bit, I moved my stop loss up to the bottom of this, which, you know, you could have some quarrels about that, I guess. I mean, it worked out for me. I don't know how often that would work out for me, but it did this time. And we just pumped straight up, and I held and held and held until we took previous day high. And once we did, I was out of there. So I ended the day with $350 profit on all the accounts. Pretty good day. Pretty good week so far. And I expect it to be a very good week all the way up until Friday. I believe Pal's speaking tomorrow, so I might not even trade tomorrow. Maybe not. I don't know. I guess we'll see how I'm feeling. Maybe not though. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna get a webcam here pretty soon so I can start fucking, you know, webcamming this shit. But till then, it's gonna be, you know, use your imagination. But that's pretty much it for the day. Make sure you guys follow my Twitter. It's Stolen on X. I'm being a fucking menace on there. So if you guys want to see, you know, me snipe the charts, and then if you want to see blood battles on Twitter, you know where to go. But I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.